CapCut just went from a regular video editor to an all-in-one powerhouse. With AI tools built right in, you can now generate images, animate them, clean up shots, and even create custom video scenes with just a few clicks. In the next few minutes, I'll walk you through all the CapCut AI features you need to know. Step 1. Install and launch CapCut Desktop app. First, you need to install the CapCut Desktop app, not the mobile one. The desktop version gives you access to all the AI features we're about to cover. Go to the CapCut website, download the app, and install it on your computer. Once it's open, click New Project to begin. You might need CapCut Pro for some of the tools, which you can usually try out with a free trial. Step 2. Explore the AI Media panel. Once your project is open, click on the Media tab. You'll see a section called AI Media. This is where the good stuff lives. Inside that panel, you'll find AI image generation, AI video, and something called dialogue scene. Each of these opens up a different set of AI tools that you can start using right away. Step 3. Generate AI images from prompts. The AI image generation tool lets you create custom images just by typing what you want to see. Click on it, then enter a prompt. Say you type something like robot standing in a forest at sunset. Below that, choose your aspect ratio. For most videos, 16:9 works best. Hit generate, and CapCut will give you 4 different image options based on your prompt. Pick your favorite and drag it into your timeline. You can tweak the image if it needs a little polishing. Click Adjust, and you'll be able to fine-tune the brightness, contrast, saturation, and a few other settings. If the image looks a bit low quality or slightly soft, no problem. CapCut gives you a tool called Enhance Image. It sharpens the image and bumps up the quality. Let's say your image looks too narrow or you want more space around the subject. That's where AI Expand comes in. Click on your image, then go to the Video tab and scroll to the AI Expand option. Click Generate, and CapCut will automatically extend the edges of the image based on what's already there. It keeps the same style, colors, and vibe, but gives you more room to work with. If you want multiple AI images to follow the same character design, you can use the reference tool inside AI image generation. Upload a character reference photo. It could be a face, an object, or a full body shot. Once uploaded, you can pick which part to match. Then type your new prompt, like robot sitting by a campfire, and CapCut will generate images that match your character style across different scenes. This is great for creating storyboards, animated thumbnails, or consistent visuals in a series. Step 4. Create animations. After you've got your still images, you can turn them into animations using a tool called Image to Video. Just right-click any image in your timeline and choose Image to Video. Enter a short prompt for the animation, like robot looks around and blinks. Choose how long you want the animation to be. You can pick 5 or 10 seconds depending on how much movement you need. Then choose your model. Video G3 and CV Pro are both good options. Each one gives slightly different results, so try them both and see which looks better. Select your aspect ratio and click Generate. CapCut will turn your image into a short animated video clip. If you want to create a transition between 2 different stills, you can do that too. Import both images into your timeline. Set one as the start and the other as the end. Then open AI Video and select those 2 frames. CapCut will create a new video that smoothly blends the 2. For this kind of job, the Seaweed V1 model is the best pick. It gives you smoother movement and better consistency between frames. Now, if there's something in your footage that you don't want, you can remove it using the AI Remove tool. Click on your video in the timeline, then open the Video tab and scroll to AI Remove. You'll get a brush tool. Use it to highlight the object you want to get rid of. Once selected, hit Generate, and CapCut will erase the object and fill in the space around it with matching pixels. Step 5. Generate AI lip sync. If you're working with characters and want them to speak, you can use CapCut's lip sync tool. Select your character clip, then go to the Video tab and open Lip Sync. You can either type your script or upload your own audio. Then pick a voice from CapCut's voice library. Once you hit Generate, CapCut will automatically move the mouth of your character to match the voice. This works even if your character is AI-generated or static, and it saves a lot of time compared to keyframing everything by hand. Now, if you want narration but don't want to record your own voice, you can use CapCut's text-to-speech tool. Add a text block onto your timeline and type your narration line. Something like, "The world as we know it has ended." Click on text-to-speech, pick a voice that fits your video's tone, and hit Generate. CapCut will give you an audio clip that you can drop into your timeline right away. Step 6. Apply cinematic filters. To give your final video a more polished look, go to the Filter section and open the Movie category. Here, you'll find cinematic filters that act like LUTs. These change the color tone of your footage and give it a more professional or dramatic look. Try a few out and see what works for your project. You can also adjust the strength of each filter and stretch it across your whole timeline for consistency. Step 7. Use AI Fashion Model. From the CapCut home screen, you'll see a widget called AI Fashion Model. Click on it and upload a piece of clothing. It could be a branded hoodie, a new shirt design, or even just a custom graphic tee. Then pick a model from CapCut's built-in options or upload your own. Once you hit Generate, CapCut will create a photo of that model wearing your clothing. It looks clean, realistic, and ready to use for ads, product pages, or social media. And yes, you can also animate that model image using image to video if you want to turn it into a short promo. These AI features are built to speed things up and give you more options while editing. Everything runs right inside CapCut, and most of the tools work with just a few clicks. Give them a try, experiment a bit, and let the AI do the nitty-gritty work while you focus on the ideas. Which of these CapCut features have you used before, or are you thinking of trying out next? Let me know below, and don't forget to like and comment for future videos.